हाँ आऊचू गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सब मुझे नीचे बुला रहे हैं एज टुडे इज सैटरडे एंड इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ चिल डे। मेरे योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर भी नहीं आने वाले हैं आज, सो आई एम स्किपिंग योगा टुडे फॉर सम फैमिली टाइम। सो लेट्स गो। પણ એમની મને કંઈ અર્જન્સી નથી મમ્મા, હું તો આનાથી ચાલુ કરીશ. આ વળી હું 2 ચમચી પી જાઉં છું. One Gujarati's staple food. We have another channel, Ishan Lawyer, and we are about to touch 2000 subscribers there. So happy. Done with office work, done with lunch. Time to take bath and start working. Start working for shorts and reels that you will see next week. Dread taking baths क्योंकि अब ऐसा स्टेज आ गया है कि once I take bath my bum starts itching a lot and see the bump growth. शावर चालू है और पानी नहीं आ रहा, मैं कैसे नहाऊं? तो परेशान दिस गाय, पानी नहीं आ रहा। ये क्या बदतमीजी मैं चालू कर रही हूँ। यही पूछ रहा हूँ, ये क्या बदतमीजी है? मुझे खड़े करने की क्या जरूरत है? मैं तो नहीं आ रहा था ना, देखा ना, प्रूफ देखा ना। Okay, I have taken a shower, but I'm a bit tired with the BT behind the scenes work. मैंने कपड़े प्रेस कर लिए हैं, ज्वेलरी निकाल ली है. Now I just have to shoot the video. So that is something I'll do after resting for a while. 4 बजे, 4:15 बजे है अभी, 4:15 हो रहे हैं. I will wake up in 30-45 minutes and then we'll get to work. तब तक आप लोग भी सो जाओ. I woke up and now I'm hungry. Last trimester hunger is just something else. So I'm going down, eating fatafati and passing over some work to Bhavya, and then we shoot. The best thing to eat in the evening on the weekends while it's raining is Maggie, but मैं Maggie नहीं खा सकती, so I'm making bhel. Okay, flow time. Yeah. The day has completely gone opposite to what I thought would be. I have not gotten any time to shoot the content, so I am pushing everything on Sunday and finishing some other work that is of more priority. So this is how it happens. कभी कभी even your important tasks that you feel are important वो भी नहीं हो पाते हैं because life throws something at you. My God, it's I'm editing one video. I'm working for some office work at 9:30. If you can see, how do I show you the time? But it's 9:30. I'm done with my dinner. Bhavya is going to watch a movie, Superman. मुझे नहीं देखनी थी क्योंकि अब मेरे में थिएटर्स में बैठने की एनर्जी नहीं है. So I skipped and he has gone happily. वैसे भी बारिश है तो it's just better that I stay at home, enjoy myself, and he enjoys there. If you don't know, me and my husband, we both work together, so we are together 24/7 and we love each other's company like anything. तो वो 2-3 घंटे भी अगर मूवी के लिए गया ना तो वी विल मीट लाइक हम लोग कितने टाइम बाद मिल रहे हैं वापस. It is again that happy feeling, almost rendered. Even though मैंने जो सोचा था वो नहीं हुआ, but still I am in content with the day because it was a productive day and we love productive days. कोई बात नहीं, it will be a busier Sunday than usual. Hello. I am back on Sunday evening looking like this, a very pretty dress on, my hair and makeup all done because we were shooting and मैं process में camera चालू करने ही भूल गई. So sorry for that. And now we will be shooting for Isha and Bhavya, then again for this channel, and then for Isha and Bhavya. That way we can utilize me getting ready for both the channels, not just one. Promise to keep you here up till the time we don't hire a photographer for us. He clicks my pictures. He, while watching some match. कैसे focus करोगे? Focus. Done with that. Now shooting for us, both of us. The mess we create on the shoot day is just crazy. Time for another shoot. Let's get ready for that. The before part is done. Now I have to wear that dress and do the rest of the work. So let's get into it. The dress is on and now I get to shooting again. This is my workflow. I mean, this is the tripod. I stand there and here. This is where I write all my scripts and keep it in front of me so that kuch ho na. And this is where I keep the jewelry I'm going to wear during the shoot. And that is the mess I create. Okay, 2 shoots of realistic and one of Isha and Bhavya is done. Now I'm going to clean the room because once Mama is back, we have to shoot with her. So yeah, I will put on this dress again, but तब तक के लिए मैं night dress पहन लेती हूँ. Okay, finally I can say कि इस channel का सब कुछ shoot हो गया and the mess like we have. So now I'm going to clean this because उसके बाद ही ईशा एंड भव्य का clean हो सकता है. भव्य नीचे गया, उसको बहुत भूख लगेगी क्योंकि वो lunch नहीं करता है. So he's having his dinner. I'm having my protein biscuits prescribed by doctor. Let's clean the area. Finally, the room is clear. अब जो बाकी है वो भैया को ही करना पड़ेगा because he can do things which I cannot right now. So now I'm going down. I have to have my dinner. I'm not hungry though because I guess work kind of makes you that satisfied कि आपकी भूख भी भूल जाते हो आप. But I kind of have to because इसको तो भूख लगी होगी ना. Dinner's done. It's 9 o'clock and we are back to shooting. हाँ मम्मा, हाँ जी. The star of the reel is here.
ये ऑलरेडी करने को.
Officially done with today's shoot. Now let's change and remove this. Finally done with everything. अब खाली मेकअप निकालना बचा है. आई एम एब्सोल्युटली लविंग द हेयर ग्रोथ जो मैंने फाइनली शादी के बाद इतने लंबे किए बाल. नहीं तो आई वॉज जनरली अ बॉब हेयर कट गर्ल. आई जस्ट होप कि मेरे को बेबी के बाद फिर से वो मन ना होने लगे बिकॉज आई एम रियली लविंग दिस. लेट्स I only use these two products and water. I use this पहले before micellar water because इससे ना एकदम वो जो खिंचाव नहीं आता है कॉटन पैड से, आप बार बार माइसेलर वाटर से करते हो तो बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है. दिस मेक्स द प्रोसेस वेरी इजी. सच ए नाइस फीलिंग टू हैव अ प्रोडक्टिव डे एंड वीकेंड. आधा सब कुछ तो यहीं निकल जाता है. इफ़ यू कैन सी those little brown particles. Let me also show you dip करके. See, almost सारा प्रोडक्ट इसमें से निकल जाता है. माइसेलर वाटर बस मैं मन की संतुष्टि के लिए लगाती हूँ कि यस, बट कोकोनट ऑयल से बेटर कुछ नहीं है ऑनेस्टली. नाउ माइसेलर वाटर. And after that I go in with oil on my hands and then on my face. And massage it a bit. Mornings में I do facial yoga. रात के समय just prefer doing this. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed my weekend, and if you like watching these vlogs, let me know into the comments, and I will try to keep making these kind of videos also, because these are very raw, real and ऐसे. So yeah, अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू लाइक इट, comment below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.